Hi there, it's Rob Hillman here from Easy Training Guides. Today we're going to take a quick look at OpenAI's new program, Chat GPT, which is a artificial intelligence program. But before we get started, just remember to click on the subscribe button. I'm going to give you a secret squirrel trick to use with Chat GPT, which will basically increase your results about 1,000-fold. So you'll actually push Chat GPT to the maximum limit. So let's have a look at the main website. If you go to openai.com, you'll come to this page. You can actually join up for free. So you'll just click on try, and they just want an email address to make sure that you're a real person that's signing up. And then once you get your access, you'll go into the Chat GPT program. So here it is here. What is the artificial program do? Well, basically think of it as a Google search engine, but on steroids. So it has a massive database, which has been compiled by humans, obviously, but let's just see what it can do. So it has the ability to write articles, even film scripts if you wanted to. But let's say we wanted to write an article about, let's say, what are the best 5 ways to make money online. So we'll type in what are the best ways, are the 5 best ways to make money online quickly, and enter and see what it's going to come up with. So basically we've put in a question, it's searching its database. Now what I want to talk about is a couple of limitations of Chat GPT, even GPT, even though it's an artificial intelligence. It's only as good as whoever's programming it, and this program has been its database is up to date to the end of 2021, so it's not actually searching the web in real time. So the results you've got are history dating back from 2021, which is okay. But there is one little hack we can do to actually let it start searching the web in real time up to right now. So, but let's just see what it's come up with our query about what are the 5 best ways to make money online quickly. 1, online surveys. 2, freelancing. 3, selling items online. Online tutoring, affiliate marketing. So it's come up with that. Now, if we wanted to expand on that, we could ask it to expand on that, but I want to make this video very short and sweet, just to give you that little secret squirrel trick, which is going to make your results go exponentially. So what we need to do is, if we look at the bottom bar here, that's the standard form that Chat GPT comes in, but we can actually enhance on this. There is a plugin, and it's a Chrome plugin, and that's called Web Chat GPT. So if we upload the web chat plugin to your Chrome browser and then activate it, and then let's take a look at what the Chat GPT screen looks like. So if we click on this button here, I'll just pull this screen in a little bit more. So this is a chat screen now that has the Web Chat GPT plugin already attached. And now the difference is, at the bottom we have a little button here which says search on the web. So if we search that, if we use the button now, then we're actually looking a much more closer. But let's just prove something here. We'll go back to our normal web chat, and we'll put in, what is the time? I'm a computer program, so I don't have the ability to perceive time. Okay, fair enough. Spoken like a true computer. So that's its response in the standard version. So let's go back now to our version which we've just added the web chat GPT plugin, and we'll type in what is the time. So it's going through a much more comprehensive detail looking at the time. It's actually searching the web, giving us results. So it's given us a lot more results. So if we just click stop generating, let's just type in what are the top 5 ways to make money online quickly. Okay, so basically it's been a lot more verbose in what it's saying. So YouTube automation, make money online. It's searching the web, giving us a much more verbose explanation of the search query. So that just gives you some idea of actually how to use Chat GPT. And now that you know that by adding that simple web plugin, that's going to put you miles above everyone else who's already using Chat GPT that doesn't know this little trick, and I hope that's given you some food for thought. The next few videos I'll be coming up with are more to do with Chat GPT and also another artificial intelligence program that I use to basically fine-tune results on the internet. So I hope that's been helpful. In the meantime, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Onwards and upwards.